Stanley, are you home already? How'd you know I was gonna be home early today?
You said the new washing machine needed to be delivered today. Wow, cool. Wow. Whoa, cool. There's another washing machine inside?
Yes, that's also a washing machine. Now we can easily wash small loads of laundry every day. Let's try it on your uniform. We can wash soft, delicate fabrics separately so they don't get damaged.
Julie will like it most. She always hates having her clothes washed together with yours. By the way, Dad, how did you come up with the idea of making 2 washing machines in one?
I wanted to make a washing machine of the future with all my heart. So I talked to consumers all over the world.
Washing the delicates and the jeans together tends to damage them. It's better to wash them separately, but that takes a lot more time.
برای اینکه لباسمون خیلی رنگی هستن وقتی میخوایم که با هم بشونیمشون معمولا لک ایجاد میکنه. منم میخوام جدا جدا بشونمشون ولی خب یکم کار سختیه.
是的，小孩子的衣服每天都需要洗，而且我不喜欢把它们和大人的衣服混在一起。
All the people around the world need to wash 2 loads at once. But it seems impossible to develop a washing machine that can wash 2 loads at once. The solution was right in front of our eyes. Turn the existing bottom drawer into a washing machine. And finally, our efforts resulted in the twin wash system, the washing machine of the future. The LG Twin Wash can wash separately a small load of laundry at the same time as a large load. It's an innovative washing machine which also lets you wash 2 loads at once, thereby cutting your washing time in half. And this mini unit can easily be attached to any existing LG front-load washing machine, enhancing the usability of the machine you already own. The LG Twin Wash System, the washing machine of the future. It's the machine that everyone's been dreaming of. It will make our lives more efficient so you can spend more time doing the things that matter most in your life.
What? The washing machine works by itself?
Mom must have turned on the washing machine. You can operate it remotely with your smartphone.
Daddy!
Julie, this is the washing machine you've been hoping for.
Dad, I'll forgive you for coming home late every night. Just a little bit.
Just a little bit? Not this much?
누구나 원했지만 아무도 만들지 못했던 세탁기 LG 트윈워시 시스템은 분리세탁이라는 세계 모든 소비자들의 니즈를 충족시킨 세탁기의 새로운 혁명입니다. 7년 연속 세계 1등 세탁기를 만든 LG가 이제 트윈워시 시스템으로 전 세계 소비자들의 삶을 더욱 자유롭게 해드릴 것입니다.